Hi guys, today I'm here with this product which is Magnizent and what problems this product will solve. So we will read. Okay, so first, this will solve problems related to these features. So all content will be 100% original, unique, ready. In second, perfect to boost your SEO ranking. No expensive copywriter required means you can do some copywritings related to your appointment letter, related to your any type of sales copy, any type of approval letter, and just like that. Because in industry, if you are in business line, okay, and if you are working like this, so you will need this all this type of the papers documentation like this type of the work. Okay, so problems related to all this type of the written work you will solve just because of this, which is Magnizent. Okay, so product produce unlimited sales copy, just I told you before, zero writing required. Okay, commercial license included so that you can sell copywriting service to the business for thousands of dollars. Means on Fiverr, on freelancer, okay, you can go with that. So I will tell you each and everything, no worry about that. So guys, this is a member access area of Magnizent. Okay, actually you are going to get two member access area inside the Magnizent. This is first one and this is second one. You can see here. Okay, this is second one. Where and how you will get this one, when you click here on automation. Okay, so first I'm just closing this one so that you will be easy. It will be easy to understand you when you will click on this just like this. Okay, so second dashboard will open for the automation only. Okay, so what type of the automation? Chatbot, a marketing messenger automation you are going to get inside this. See, okay, import account, you can import your Facebook account, and comment grow tool. Actually we will discuss each and every these features, but before that we need to discuss this feature in dashboard number one. Okay, this dashboard number two we will discuss later. Okay, and this all this actually not only you are going to solving the problem related to these skills. Okay, just because after getting solution you can sell your services. If you are drop shipper, sorry, if you are drop servicer, okay, you are drop servicing, you are providing servicing like digital marketing agency, SEO, and writings, copywritings, and many things. So in that particular industry, like writing industry, like blogging and like copywriting and something like that, you will provide. Okay, you can provide some services. So for example, how you can do that, let me show you. Okay, on just Fiverr, you can go and you can just create your own account. Okay, it will open. Till then we will discuss some feature of this dashboard. So this is automatic writing, guys. This is related about copywriting, related to all things. It may be blog, it may be some copywriting, it may be some sales letter, newsletter, appointment letter, approval letter, something like this. Okay, because this all type of the need of writing always needed in the industry. Okay, it may be online and offline industry, so it will be helpful for you. So going to click on this new writing. These are some demos and also I'm going to just click on this. So let's see what will come in front of you, because I'm not coming with practice, guys. Okay, I'm just starting in front of you and we will discuss each and every feature so that you can understand this product is going to fit for you or not. So I'm going to give it a name. So I put my name, select category of writing, Facebook ads and all. So I'm not going to select a template of writing. So traffic angle, introduction of template. Says you can see what is this free headline, automatic your way, financial freedom. This is related to this category, guys. Actually, this is not completely finished right now. This product is still not launched. It will be launched after 4 to 5 hours from now. Okay, so I will upload. I don't know when I will upload this video, but right now this product is not completely ready. Okay, so just because of this, you are not going to get, you are not getting complete options. But if you go ahead, if you pick up even front end, you will you will be able to access each and every functions. Okay, so with this some less function, I am trying to solve your all queries and all, and I'm trying to show you each and everything. So this is, for example, I'm not giving this name, I'm giving this name MMO, for example. So what will be MMO? MMO means make money online. So this will be category of make money online automatically. Traffic angle, so this will be your copywriting, guys. Okay, you can post this blog. Okay, very nice. Okay, too long, guys, it's too much long, more than, I think this is more than 2000 words. Okay, guys, So I'm just, okay, no worry. I'm just choosing this one right now. Okay, so that you will know how to do for you. So I selected each and everything here. Okay, I didn't left anything. So I'm just going here and I'm just choosing this one, next step. Okay, after clicking on next step button, we will see what will come in front of us. So this new writing has been created successfully. Okay, this is our writing which right now we selected. So what is coming below, let me see. Save changes or something like that. So what is here? Rebuild writing, download as PDF. Download, guys, is too much good function. Okay, so if you finished any type of the writing, okay, you have to just download from here as a PDF and text, and you can sell out this. Okay, if you are on Fiverr, for example, not Fiverr, guys, sorry guys, Fiverr. Okay, you can start selling from this. So I'm just showing you right now how you can sell the services. Right now I'm just showing you some gigs. Okay, uh, blog writer, for example. Okay, so how much they are charging just for one blog. Okay, so that you can imagine for charging and pricing for your services. Okay, so guys, this is, you can see this guy is, okay, this is coming in rupees, guys. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, but you can convert it into the dollars. Okay, so you can see this is too much. Okay, guys, this is around $100, guys. Okay, this is around $100. This is around $25. This is around $25. So guys, people, this is around $27. So guys, people are selling normal. See what he's saying. I will write a high quality travel and lifestyle blog post. Okay, only single. I will write a, okay, single post, guys, only single blog. Okay, for single blog, he's charging this one amount. So you can imagine how much you can charge. Okay, this I already, this I am searching only for blogging, guys. Okay, you can also go with another thing, guys. Okay, like copywriter website, landing page copy, sales page copywriter. So this one is okay. So guys, give it a time. Okay, if you want to know brief knowledge, so you need to give it a time. Okay, see guys, see, this is around maybe $40 something. This is again $100, guys. Okay, this is 40 or $45, but this is $100, guys. Okay, so this is she's charging $100. What she will do, she will do, I will be your launch copywriter for sales page and landing page. That's it. That's it, guys. Okay, so you know the potential of this business, guys. Okay, I hope you know because I shown you already this whole thing. So this is your copywriting, guys. Okay, you are already watching this completely. This is in front of you. Okay, options are also available in front of you. Download and go ahead, guys. Okay, provide services, use for your business, use for any type of business. If you are doing on online business, offline business, whatever, it will work for you. So this all things are related to this. Okay, my preset, let me check what is the inside of this preset. So okay, nothing is inside. Okay, you can go ahead and you can just click and let me see what will come. Group name is MMO2. Okay, group description, make money all time. Okay, test name, I am testing. Okay, so I'm just going to submit this one and let me show you what will come in front of us. New preset group has been added successfully. Okay, preset group, support ticket, tools. What is inside the tools? My profile and all. This is simple things, guys. Completely profile and all, something like that. So this is not too much importance for this is support ticket. Let me show you what is inside this and where I can see my this all with changes I made before. So okay, only automatic writing option. Okay, this is my preset, I think. Okay, so here I can see this is MMO2 which I created, make money all time. and I can save something, save some copywritings and something like that inside this. So this is complete from my side. This is only for writing. Okay, completely writing industry. What things are coming in the writing industry? Blogging, copywriting, sales copywriting, newsletter, appointment letter, approval letter, so much type of the letter. I'm not able to tell you each and everything step by step, but you can go outside, you can search on Google, and if you are working already in the industry, so you already know, I hope that. Okay, guys. So this is for completely writing and all. So this is tools. Okay, this is only inset profile and all. So guys, I'm just right now clicking on this automation. Okay, I'm just closing this in front of you. And again, I'm clicking on this so that we will move to the another dashboards to see some automation related to Facebook, because Facebook is the biggest social media still. Okay, and still people are active on that. So guys, this is dashboard, this is import account. So this is in this is not completely finished, guys. I already told you. Okay, this is in launching phase right now. It will be launched after some hours. Okay, 2 to 3 hours later. So no Facebook app configuration found. You can directly admin content, but you don't need to do that. Okay, because I'm already showing you all these things before launching period. So come back, guys, and don't worry, guys. You have to just import your account. Okay, just you have to import your account. It's not difficult things. So guys, this is comment to grow tool. Okay, this will be automatic, guys. Okay, so how it will be done? Okay, here it is again in configuration mode, but right now I will show you on the Google comment growth tool, which I already searched on Google. So if you search this comment growth tool, so these two windows will come in front of you. So if I will click on this, so what features you can see? Actually any type of the business, e-commerce, affiliate marketing business, offers, something like that. Okay, you can use all these things. So login and all, from which account I need to log in. Just let me try, guys. This is 2.0, guys. I should go ahead with this, but let it load, and later we will go with this because this is new version. So okay, sign into ManyChats, sign in into ManyChats. Okay, it will take much time, guys. So I'm not doing that. So I will try to go with version 2.0. This is version 2.0. Let me show you what will come. Actually, this is for, guys, this is for chatbot marketing. Directly, you can start marketing by using messengers and all. Okay, so pre-made, built-in some messenger message templates will be available for you. Directly, you can send to your visitors, to your customers. Okay, unknown people also you can send. Okay, so just because of that, your CTR, your open rate will be high inside, because here this is 2.0, because on Facebook, open rate, and click CTR rate is pretty good than the email marketing. Okay, as per my knowledge, guys, I'm just clicking on this, which is get started for free, so that you can understand what type of the things you can perform for your business. So let me show you what is coming in front of you. Continue with Facebook. I'm doing, guys. Okay, I'm doing with my Facebook account. So that you will know what you can do just by using your Facebook account. Okay, by using this tool. Okay, we are here, guys. Okay, I'm just going back again, so that actually don't forget, guys. Okay, focus here so that you will know each and everything perfectly. I'm here, guys. Comment growth tool. I'm showing you this thing. Okay, because this product is again in configuration mode. That is why I'm here. Okay, I did all these things. Continue with Facebook and all. I did that. Okay, so guys, I'm doing this. Okay, continue with, I already did all these things in front of you. Okay, guys, so let it load. Copywriting copywriting dashboard is different, guys. This is for automation. Okay, for getting traffic, something like that. Verify your email. So yes, this is my email. So how to verify that? Okay, guys, I'm just trying to verifying from my mobile. Okay, so just give, guys, just give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm just verifying you and I'm coming back to you again. Okay, wait, guys. Okay, guys, so I verified all these things. So I'm just what best describes your role. I'm solopreneur, for example, business owner. How many people work at your company? One. What best describes your experience with this? Actually, guys, I'm just verifying this many chats. Okay, comment tool. This is for Facebook and all. So just let's check what will happen after doing this all these things. What best describes your experience with setting up marketing campaigns? Beginner. Okay. Okay, beginner is okay. How did you hear about ManyChat? Select an option. Google search. Okay, and just doing next. Okay, guys, so see, you can see just by using this tool, okay, which you are going to get inside this dashboard. This is second dashboard I already told you, which is for automation. First dashboard will be for completely copywritten, okay, writing for each stream and specific field, okay. So I'm just using this one right now because I already finished with all these things, okay. I already shown you all these things. Now I'm just using this one. So for this one we are doing all these things, okay. So here the three options you are going to get. So I'm just going to use this one, guys. Always if we are looking for teenager type audience and customers and visitors for your business, just go for Instagram and Snapchat, okay. And if you are looking little bit a mature audience for your work, so just go with Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google, YouTube, many things. But this will be actually this is for mix up, okay, teenagers and mature guys. So but this is also a huge potential, okay. So I'm right now going with this one so that we can see what will happen. So this is connecting. Okay, guys, this is my page, guys. We found 8 Facebook pages managed by you. So this is my Facebook pages, guys. This is modeling lovers. Okay, so related to modeling and all. This is handsome zone related to something fancy type of things. This is here for you. I do reviews on this page. Okay, guys. This is a hi-fi short which I started some months ago, you can say. This is a complete e-commerce store, guys, but this is not right now available. So I will come with new one. So this is not active. Wedding and party lovers. This is already, you know what is the name of this, okay. So Hulk Central, this is again different my website, guys. This is Facebook gaming in streaming like that, okay. So this page is for that. This is Healthy Entrepreneur. This is for solopreneurs. This is entrepreneur who are working from zero. This page is for supporting them. So guys, I am just going to connect this one. Okay, okay, leave this because entrepreneurship and all, everyone know about this. This is Go Games. So I'm using this one. This is for gaming and like that. Gaming, streaming, Facebook gaming, video creator like that. So just connect. So let's see what will happen, guys. Congratulations, this is connected. Okay, so next is what? Account time zone not configured. Okay. So guys, this is paid things. I think for 7 days I can go ahead with this. Okay. Actually, what you can do, guys. Okay, I'm just activating trial. Let me see how much time it will take. Free trial 7 days, 1,000 contacts, 4 growth tools. Okay, guys, this all things you will get for just doing marketing. Okay, marketing, promotion, online sales by using messenger, by using chatbot marketing. I'm not filling my details, guys, here. Okay, but I hope you got my point, what I'm trying to show you from long. Okay, you will just start marketing, promotion, online sales, your business on messengers, or by using chatbot marketing, by using direct message function of Instagram, because you already saw here 3 things. Okay, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram Messenger, which I already shown you before. I think that gone right now. So that's how you can you will directly work inside the inbox of the people. Okay, you don't need to run ads, you don't need to pay advertising and all like that. You can go with those things if you want to do that. You can go with that, but directly just by using these tips and tools, you will be direct inside the inbox of your audience, okay, targeted people and just something like that, okay, just by using growth tool. So I I shown you a little bit. Okay, I hope you got. I shown you a little bit demo. So we will discuss each and everything. Okay, this is again messenger bot. I already told. I already shown you. So let me see what will come inside this. We will finish as soon as possible, guys. Let me see this one. See, synchronize subscribers, Facebook, Instagram. I already told you. I already show you by using this many chats. Okay, so guys, I'm just closing this one right now. Okay, because we are now moving ahead. So board subscribers. Okay, this will be just for showing you. Okay, so that your people will actually your audience will think many people are following this guy, many people are following this page, this business, so maybe this business providing good service. Okay, if you are providing servicing, okay, if you have any business like that, okay, so this will be for something like that. So for example, this is too much pretty simple thing, guys, I'm not going with that. So for example, I'm just going with this one. Okay, so let's see what will come, because I already told you this is in working phase. Today it will be launched, but right now it's not launched. Okay, so search option. Okay, this is download result, and this is simple thing, guys. Right now nothing is there inside, so we cannot search. So just going back, and let's try some other option so that you will see something deeper things. Okay, label and text, too much simple things. Okay, just let me show you guys this one. Okay, so what will come, you will see. There is nothing for group. Okay, no worry, I'm going to create new group. Group name will be this. Okay, guys, saving this one. Just for example, guys, okay, you can see here contact group has been successfully created. Okay, so let me, okay, done. I think I should close this, let it load so that it may be shown here. I think, I hope. Business folks like this. What is here? You can change name and like that, only name option. So if you create group, okay, what is the power of this, guys? Okay, I hope you know, but if you don't know, let me finish in 2 lines. Facebook are promoting groups too much right now, guys. Okay, directly what you have to do, you have to create group related to your niche. Okay, if you are providing any service, then related to your service. If you are e-commerce guy, related to your niche. Okay, in which you are selling some physical products, what you have to do, you have to create this type of the group. Because I created this one, because this is business folks. Why? Because I'm interested in business. Okay, and I can sell something related, something services related to business, some products and tools related to business. That's why I created this group. Okay, you have to do same things, and what you have to do, you have to consistently posting some related, valuable, okay, interested topics. Okay, confusion clearing topics. Okay, don't post, guys, don't post nonsense things and political things like that. Okay, you are here for business, you are not here for doing nonsense things. Okay, so that's why I put this name. You have to put name related to your niche so that people will know this group is about this, those group, those and this and that group is about this. So if they are like-minded, they will come into your group, and you can directly sell them stuffs, you can directly sell them services. Okay, stuff means if you are e-com guy. Okay, so for example, someone is related, someone is interested in cats, someone is interested in dogs. Okay, so if you create any group like this, for example, dog lovers. Okay, dog lovers. So those people who are loving dogs, they will join your group. Okay, because to maintain dogs, to maintain cats, okay, everyone needs some physical products. Okay, those physical products can be anything. Okay, so what you will do, you will sell some stuffs inside these groups. Don't sell directly, put some value before, share some content before. Okay, increase your trust level and something like that. Okay, guys, so it's done from my side, something like that. Okay, actually, I hope you got my point. What I'm trying to say you, see, dog lovers. Okay, so if you are e-com guy, you can share your product. Okay, run your stores. Okay, run your Facebook ads, whatever ads for your stores. But this will be your third traffic generator thing. Okay, from here you will also gain some leads. some conversions, some CTR, something like that. Okay, so this is guys too much important thing. Okay, don't underestimate it. Why? Because I know the power of this. I'm also trying this one. Okay, so guys, come here. This is live chat. This is simple thing. Okay, I hope this is again in working, guys. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to provide you each and everything, guys. Okay, so please don't take me wrong. Don't take me wrong, guys, because guys, this is I think this is logged out automatically because we are taking too much time. Okay, but guys, I'm sorry because I want you take each and every knowledge so that you will be able to decide you should go with this particular product or not. Okay, that is why I'm doing all these things. Okay, so I hope you got my point, guys. Okay, if you are going late, that this is messenger board, guys. See e-commerce store, social posting, each and everything, guys, coming here. See white listed domains, email autoresponder, guys. You can apply, you can connect your autoresponder. Okay, get response like Klaviyo, something like that. You can connect with this. See MailChimp, this all these things you can create, guys. You can use and you can connect with this by using API. See, okay, guys. So that's how you can do complete business directly from inside this dashboard. Okay, so that is why you don't have to put different extra works, different hard works, energies. You can save easily your hard works and your energies. Okay, guys. So this is related to all these things. So I'm not going much deeper with that. I'm just going ahead. This is broadcasting. You already know. I hope you know what is broadcasting. You can directly send one message and it will be broadcast automatically to complete your list. Okay, so guys, this is SMS marketing, SMS broadcasting, email broadcasting, guys. These two option again powerful, guys. Again you will get traffic from here. Not even traffic, guys, conversion, CTR, leads, whatever you can get from here. Right now I don't have any type of the paid tool, and right now the paid tool, and also I'm not able to connect my paid tool with this system. But all these things you can do directly from single dashboard, guys. You can see here add new API. Okay, you can add your API of your SMS marketing tool, and directly you can start working from here for your particular niche. Even if you are e-com guy, even if you are if you have any affiliate offer and something like that, you can go ahead with this. Okay, guys, it is work like that. So I'm just clicking on this e-commerce store so that we will know what is inside this in actual. So okay, guys, you can create a store. Wow, guys. So I need to show you guys, okay, because this is for e-commerce, this is for physical thing. Okay, so I'm just okay, I just clicked on this option come in front of me, select page. Right now, guys, I did not imported my Facebook account. Okay, I already shown you my some pages before. Okay, so you have to just okay, you have to just create one page related to your e-commerce store, and you will select this one here. You can put your email, something like that. Okay, you will do this all these things. Store name related to your niche. Okay, same, I'm putting this dog lovers. Okay, put your logo, put your fave icon related to dog and all. I don't have my I don't have any dog ID right now, guys. Facebook pixel ID. Okay, just click here. Okay, just click here. Google Analytics ID, guys. Okay, you need to guys go to the Google. I can do that right now, but it will take too much time. But it is pretty simple, so much easy. And you have to just put your both ID here. Okay, status is online, and guys, your store will be created. Just because of this, it may be I'm not unable to okay create it. Okay, but guys, why you have to put this? Okay, Google Analytics ID, Facebook Pixel ID. Why you have to put so that you can see some analytics, how many people are coming from Facebook on your store and how many people are coming from Google on your store, just because of watching and calculation, that all things, this pixel IDs you will need. Okay, guys. So I don't have anything in my dog lover store. So this will be look like this. See, okay, all these things you can do, guys, from here, so that you can add some products also. You can do all these things. I'm not going much deeper, guys. So for example, this is product. I'm just clicking on this. So I didn't add anything, guys. You can add products from here. If you know something about Shopify and WooCommerce, okay, I hope you are getting my point. From here you have to get add product. Okay, product name, guys. Okay, for example, okay, wedding art. Okay, put price. Okay, $140, guys. Okay, no, this is not. This is original price, $40, guys, and you will sell this for $140 ahead. Category will be, I don't say made any type of category, guys. You will create categories from here. It will take too much time, but I hope, guys, you are getting this pretty simple things. Okay, you have to just create your store just like Shopify, and but here you are already able to create your own store inside the Magnificent. What big things you are going to get, guys? Facebook automation, marketing automation, SMS marketing, email marketing campaign, Facebook, not even Facebook, Shopify store. Just like Shopify, you can create your own e-commerce store here, guys. Okay, and what you want, automatic copywriting, guys. Okay, complete world inside this, guys. Okay, complete world. So you can some put some attributes related. This will be product description, just like specifications. Okay, just go Amazon, watch specification of your products. Okay, and just you can copy and paste here. Don't copy completely, make moderate by your own. Okay, I'm just telling you a example. Okay, now this all these things you can just play around with this. Okay, this is purchase notes. Okay, if someone is purchasing, so what you want to show them. Okay, just related like that, just attraction grabbing things, guys. Okay, put your photos. What photos? Product photos. Okay, simple. For prevent purchase out of stock and all, you can just put according to you. Okay, item in stocks and something like that, guys, and you can just save. Okay, guys, so what happened? Okay, because I didn't added any product, guys, right now, just showing purpose. I told you is this all things are available, guys. You can see QR menu, coupons. Why coupons, guys? Because if you create any coupon, okay, or if you create any coupon and someone will put your coupon, see add. Okay, if someone will put that complete coupon at the time of purchase, so he will get discount. Okay, your visitor, your customer, guys. Okay, so you can put coupon code like, for example, lockdown 21. How much amount you want to reduce? $4 I want to reduce. Expiry date you can put, it will expire on 14 October. Okay, something like that. And now a maximum users limit only one time, guys. Okay, save, and my coupon is created, guys. Okay, I hope you see, guys, this is my coupon. This is active. If you want to disable this, you can disable from here. Okay, or from this action. See actions. Okay, action. You can disable this. So your customer will need to pay complete amount. Okay, in case of you disable this one. Okay, so guys, I'm not going each and every okay options. This is too much easy. Randomly I gone through some options, so I hope you got. This is too much easy, guys. Okay, products are always important. Okay, always take care about this, because people will buy, customer and audience will buy product. Okay, not this type of the settings and customer and attributes and all that. Okay, guys, so I hope you got my point. So all these things you are going to get inside this. So social posting, guys, you can post some different social media so that you can get some traffic. Okay, you don't need to go for paid advertising. Import Facebook accounts. Okay, I'm not doing that because this is in running phase still. Multimedia post, CTA post, call to action, guys. Okay, CTA means call to action. You can see here. Carousel video post, same, guys. Instagram post, social post, and for like this, all these things, guys. Too much options are available. Okay, even it will take too much time. Search tool. Okay, let me show you. This one is last and later we will finish. Okay, guys, this is eager again, and still, guys, this is in configuration mode, and still I hope I cleared much things for you. Okay, because I told you, I shown you many things from outside this tool. Okay, just like this many chat. Okay, so guys, I'm just closing this one because I'm done from my side. This is dashboard number one, which is for copywriting. Dashboard number two, which will be for all things e-commerce store, Facebook automation, SMS automation, chatbot marketing, all these things, email marketing campaign, guys. Complete. It is complete masterpiece, guys, from my side. Okay, just come and meet my bonuses, guys. This is my page. This is magnificent. Okay, I put some basic, okay, not all basic features of this related to copywriting only, but I know you are going to get SMS, email marketing, SMS marketing, e-commerce store you can write, and much many things you already watched inside this guy. This is my bonus number one, which is 6-figure blogging. Okay, Bonus number two, guys, Google plus traffic. Many people don't know about this, guys. Okay. You just have to mail me, or you can just comment drop. You can just drop your comment below this video if you are buy if you are going to buy this one magnificent. Okay, from through the link below, then you will get this. I will send you directly on your email, guys. Okay, I will not provide you this link and that link. Okay, just mail me. I will provide you simple. Okay, guys, again, one masterpiece, which is hashtag traffic secrets. Okay, again, many people don't know about this, guys. Okay, so don't think much, guys. Okay, just go ahead, and this will be your sales page of magnificent. Okay, let it load, guys. Okay, I'm just finishing. If okay, this will be look your final page will look like this. This is magnificent. Okay, you can go inside this. Okay, already I told you much things and all. Okay, guys, you have to decide. Okay, you have to make your own decision. You have to pick through this. You have to pick this one or not. Okay, guys, so I'm done from my side. We will meet later another time with new masterpiece. Till then, bye.